Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now taking a lovely little ride in our 1966 Ford Mustang hardtop. Of course, you know the Mustang is a true iconic friend of the American classic car industry. Going to the one we have here featuring a very beautiful gray exterior. As you do see, it does have the black stripes coming from the front to the back. Having a single mirror on the driver's side, which back in the day you really didn't need more than one mirror since there was less traffic. Having some very nice aftermarket Mustang spoke wheels to really give it the more sporty modern style than your old school back in the day hubcaps that usually fell off or got stolen. As we move on to the inside, you can see it is an automatic on the floor with an upgraded console system. You may be wondering why there is two radios. Well, that is in fact that this is actually a backup camera system, which you will see on the exterior photos, having tiny little cameras on the driver, passenger, and even the rear side, as well as the aftermarket retro sound 2-knob radio, which offers Bluetooth and all the fun little stuff you can get for your daily music tuning. Having a late aftermarket steering column with tilt for your bigger drivers such as myself. Still keeping the original steering wheel and the old school hubcap, as well as the old school cluster there, as all of our gauges seem to be working as they should. Having some very nice twin black bucket seats, along with a also added console with the cup holders as well. Back seats are in very good condition as well. As you can see, the full condition of the interior in the car is amazing. But of course, as we move on to the engine bay, featuring a very nice 289 headers, full exhaust system, a lot of power coming from this little small block. Of course, being around 5 o'clock, traffic likes to be a little tense, but of course, as soon as these people let up a little bit, we can open it up, which is definitely going to be right now. As you can hear, it's handling very well. Power steering and the brakes are very good in this car. As well as you can see, I believe this car does have AC too, but of course you don't really need it this time of year. It's always nice to have it though, just in case. We have vent windows as well, which a lot of people don't know what that is. It is basically the earlier version of AC. In my personal opinion, is the better version of AC. But as for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.